Please take a moment before you set off to familiarize yourself with the controls. Seat belts must be worn at all times when driving. Adjust your mirrors so that you can see down the side of your vehicle. The handbrake can be found at the right-hand side of the driver's seat. The gear stick is found to the left of the wheel. To engage reverse, slide up and across. From left to right, find the clutch, brake, and then the accelerator. Lights, indicators, wipers, and wash are found as shown. Vehicle dimensions should be clearly shown at the driver's edge of the windscreen. Please remember that your vehicle may be longer, taller, and wider than what you are used to driving, so take extra care on the road. Once the vehicle has started, it can be put into reverse by lifting the gear stick up as shown and sliding into reverse. The reversing camera should activate and appear on the screen after this action. Please remember, the reversing camera is a driving aid and should not be relied on solely. We recommend always using a spotter to help you reverse safely. Your vehicle also comes fitted with DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and Europe-wide GPS. Please take a moment before you drive off to adjust the settings. You can change the language if needs be. To close the driver's cab blinds, simply pinch the mechanism in at each end and slide across. Your windscreen blinds will meet in the middle and lock together using a magnetic strip. To release this, pinch the mechanism again and slide the blinds open carefully.